Jules from Bonnie Bakery. I just found out we have guests coming over. They're on their way literally right now and I have nothing in the house. So I'm gonna whip up some of my Swedish oatmeal cookies. These are great for situations like this because I know I have all the ingredients on hand and the whole thing comes together in just 15 minutes, including baking time. So I figured I'd show you how to make them as well, so that next time you have unexpected guests coming over, you can impress everybody with warm, freshly baked cookies on their arrival. All we need for these cookies are some oats. These are quick oats, but you can use whatever kind of oats you have lying around except steel cut. Some white sugar, and this is extra fine, or caster sugar if you're in the UK. Some melted butter, a little bit of flour, an egg, baking powder, salt, and some vanilla extract. I'm gonna start by cracking the egg into this bowl. And then to that I'm gonna add the sugar and the vanilla. And I'm just gonna whisk this together until it all comes together and it gets lighter in color and looks kind of pale and frothy. Really nice thing about this recipe is you really don't need a mixer or any kind of fancy equipment. All you need is a bowl and a whisk. And this should only take about 20 seconds. There we go, that is ready now. You can see it's much paler in color and it's just nice and light and frothy. That's exactly what we want. Then to that we're gonna add the melted butter. And we're just gonna whisk that in just until it's combined. I always think this part's really pretty. And now we're just gonna add in all the other ingredients. At this point I switched from the whisk to the wooden spoon just because the mixture would get stuck in the whisk and it's kind of annoying. So I'm just gonna fold this all together. So once everything is combined, it should just be like a thick, chunky mixture like this. I've got a baking sheet here that I've just lined with parchment paper. And we're just gonna spoon some of the mixture onto here. I'm using a heaped teaspoon of mixture and you just wanna blob it on there. This does not need to be neat and precise because these are gonna spread out in the oven anyway. And I don't really try to fit more than 6 at a time on a baking sheet this size just because they do spread a lot and you don't want them all to stick together and turn into one big giant cookie, although that doesn't sound that bad to be honest. I'm just gonna pop these into the oven for about 12 minutes. All of the temperatures and measurements are all in my recipe post, which I will leave in the description below. Okay, when these first come out of the oven, they'll be golden brown around the edges and they'll still be a little bit pale in the middle. That's good because they're gonna continue to bake while they're on the cookie sheet. I'm gonna show you a really quick trick. If they come out, I mean these look great to me, but if you want them to be perfectly round, just grab a cookie cutter and you can kind of scoot them around and make them a perfect circle shape. It's important you do it as soon as they come out of the oven while they're still really soft and malleable. You actually want to leave these on the tray for about 10 minutes after they come out the oven. The heat from the tray is just going to gradually finish the baking process and they're going to be perfectly baked after that. I usually have 2 trays on the go at once, so while one is resting, the other one is in the oven, and then I just switch them out as they go. So all my batches of cookies are done and they turned out so beautifully. You can see just the amazing texture that formed as they were baking. It gives you that wonderful lace pattern. So if I hold it against the light here, you can see all the little holes that formed while they were baking, and that just gives them the most wonderful, lacy, light, crispy texture. My guests should be here any minute, so these are ready just in time. I'm gonna plate them up and get them ready to go, but I think I can steal one and have a cheeky bite before they get here. I don't know if you can hear how crispy they are, but they're just, it's weird, they're like crispy, but at the same time they're soft and chewy, and it's just the right balance of the oats and the sweetness. People are gonna love these. And they come together so quickly and easily. I mean, that was literally 2 minutes of mixing and then 12 minutes of baking. Perfect. I'm gonna try not to eat them all before they get here. So let's get these plated up. All right, so those are my super quick and easy Swedish oatmeal cookies. They are perfect for when you have to throw together something really fast, but you still want to impress. They're just super delicious. They make great snacks. They're great for lunch boxes, and they're great for entertaining guests at the last minute, which I need to go and get ready, by the way. Let me know in the comments if you do make these cookies and what you think of them. If you did enjoy watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe because I put out new video recipes every single week. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!